What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now, we're looking at a 2020 Jeep Wrangler JL that we just got done lifting here at Krietz Customs. If you guys are looking to get your Wrangler lifted and trying to figure out what wheels and tires to go with, you should take a look at this build. To start off, I'm going to go over the lift kit, which is going to be a 2.5-inch rough country suspension lift, and that's going to help raise up this Jeep and fit this bigger wheel and tire package underneath this Jeep. So with this tire, it's going to be a 35-1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, which is going to be a hybrid tire. So it's a mix between an all-terrain and a mud-terrain tire. So you get the aggressiveness of a mud-terrain, but you also get the on-road capabilities of an all-terrain tire as well. So you get the aggressive sidewall, that thicker tread, but you also get the quieter ride and longer tread life of an all-terrain tire. Down here we have a 22x12 fuel Siege, and this one's going to have that -44 offset. So with this one being a concave look, it's going to have a real nice deep dimensions to it, with the spokes coming from all the way from the outside back all the way into the center cap. And this one's going to have that DDT finish on top of the black finish that it has. So on top of the spokes, where it splits, it's going to have the DDT finish that fuel offers, and it's going to give it just a slight different hue to it, which just makes it to mix it up a little bit. This wheel also has the open lug, so you can run some spike lug nuts with this wheel if you would choose to do so. But overall, this is a pretty unique wheel that they have come out with, and if you are interested in a different finish for this wheel or different sizes, there's plenty to choose from. You have a lot of sizes from 18x9 all the way up to a 26x14. Then you have your regular all black finish, which is not going to have anything on top of the spokes. You have your DDT finish like this one, and then you have the platinum finish, which is going to be another standout wheel that you can choose from. So overall, this is a really good looking build. So if you guys like it, you can get it done to yours right here at Krietz Customs. Make sure you check out our 0% financing options so you can go ahead and get it built now and pay later.